Hey everyone from the Worthwhile channel. Hope you're all doing great. Today, we've got a review of the amazing Yoton compact photo printer. And yes, it's absolutely brilliant. But before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell because today's episode is extra special. We have some beautiful news to share. My first daughter was born recently. As first-time parents, we're fully immersed in this brand new routine, looking for ways to capture and cherish every precious moment of this unforgettable phase. That's when we discovered Yoton, a brand offering a range of smart products to make life easier, especially for families like ours going through this magical time. On their online shop, you'll find everything from projectors, children's DVDs, MP3 players, baby monitors, and much more. And today's feature is perfect for those who love capturing memories in style and with top quality. We're doing a full review of the Yoton photo printer. Stick around until the end because this little gem might just blow you away. All the purchase links are in the description below. Now let's get to the review. This is Yoton's compact photo printer, which prints 10 by 15 centimeters, 4 by 6 inch photos with lab-level quality, but right from the comfort of your home. And it already starts off strong. The packaging is sleek and well-designed, showing how much the brand cares about the customer experience. Inside the box, we've got the user manual in multiple languages, a set of photo paper sheets, and the ink cartridge. And, of course, the printer itself, compact, modern, and elegant. Around the back, you'll find micro USB and DC inputs. On the side, there's a USB-A port, and they even include a USB-A to micro USB adapter. Here's the paper compartment. It also comes with a USB power adapter. This is where you place your photo paper. The printer comes with 54 photo sheets and 1 ink cartridge, so you can start printing straight away. The user manual includes a QR code. Just scan it, download the Yoton app, and connect your phone. Now let's talk a bit more about the Yoton Hey Photo app, which is incredibly intuitive and easy to use. As soon as you open it, you'll find several great options to personalize your prints. You can simply select a single photo to print, or choose the collage option to create layouts using multiple images, perfect for capturing a sequence of moments or making creative compositions. Another really handy feature is the ID photo function. The app offers several preset sizes for official documents like passports, visas, and ID cards. Just choose the format, adjust your photo, and print it straight away. And there's a really modern feature too, the AR video option. With this, you can either shoot or select a video from your phone, trim it to 15 seconds. Pick a frame from the video to turn into a photo, and then print it. The coolest part? Once the photo is printed, you can scan it using the Hey Photo app, and the linked video will play through augmented reality. It's like bringing your memories to life. Oh, and the app also includes a variety of pre-made templates for photo collages, making it super easy to design beautiful and organized layouts. So if you love adding a personal touch to your photos and want new ways to preserve your memories, this app truly enhances the printer experience in a fun and creative way. Let's load the paper. Open here, then again. The shiny side faces up. Slide it in, close it up, and we're good to go. Now let's insert the cartridge. With everything set, let's power it on. I'm selecting a photo on my phone. You can edit it if you like, then hit print. Check this out. The printing is super quick and goes layer by layer, yellow, magenta, cyan, and finally a protective gloss coating. The result? It's compatible with laptops, smartphones, and tablets. Total versatility. We've been mainly using it to put together our baby's birth journal, capturing every little moment with love and care. Honestly, this printer is fantastic. The print quality is superb, the setup process is simple, and the app offers way more than just the basics. It's fun, intuitive, and lets you get creative with your memories. If you already have one, let us know what you think in the comments. And if you're thinking about getting one, the link is in the description below. Oh, and if you'd like to see how we're using the printer for our daughter's memory book, or want tips on photo layouts and creative ideas, drop a comment and I'll make a video just on that. So that's it for today, folks. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. If you did, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves photography and capturing special moments. See you in the next review. Big hugs, and until then.